Are you tired of feeling broke days after payday? Do you look at your bank account and wonder, where did it all go? Don't worry, you're not alone. And better yet, you can fix it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a personal budget from scratch. It's easier than you think, and if you stick around to the end, I'll even give you a few bonus tips that could literally save you hundreds this year. Let's be honest. Most of us were never taught how to manage money. And because of that, we often live paycheck to paycheck, stuck in a cycle of earning, spending, and stressing. A budget isn't a punishment. It's a plan. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. So today, I'll give you a simple, beginner-friendly process to create your own budget, even if you've never done one before. Step 1. Know your real income. To get a complete picture of your financial situation, tally all income sources, big or small. This holistic approach enables you to understand where your money comes from, making future budgeting that much easier and clearer. So, write it all down. Next, categorize your income sources for clarity. Start with your primary job earnings. By taking the time to document and categorize your income, you lay a solid foundation for better financial management. Allowing for informed decisions about savings and spending. Remember, clarity in your finances leads to greater control and peace of mind in your financial journey. Step 2. Track and categorize your spending. Surprisingly, many overlook these expenses, allowing them to drain their finances. Start by analyzing your bank statement or budgeting app to pinpoint where your money goes. Next, categorize your expenses. Fixed costs stay constant, while variable costs fluctuate. Identify those pesky variable expenses, like food delivery, which could be a hidden source of unnecessary spending. Your first step is to recognize these leaks. Fixed, by taking control of your financial habits and recognizing these leaks, you can effectively manage your budget. Ensuring that your hard-earned money is working for you and not draining away unnoticed. Start making small adjustments today to gain financial freedom tomorrow. Step 3. Set smart goals. Budgeting without a goal is like driving with no destination. Ask yourself, what am I trying to achieve? Save for an emergency fund? Pay off a credit card? Save for a trip or business? Write your goal. Make it specific and time-bound. Step 4. Build your first budget. To create a balanced budget using the 50-30-20 method, start by identifying your essential expenses, known as needs, which will account for half of your monthly income, approximately $900 in this case. Next, allocate 30% of your budget for lifestyle choices and entertainment, totaling $540 each month. $360 should then be directed towards savings or paying down any existing debt. By following this method, you ensure not only that your basic needs are met, but also that you're allowing yourself some enjoyment while preparing for the future. This balanced approach can lead to financial stability and peace of mind. Step 5. Review and adjust every month. It's essential to embrace the adjustments as they come. Recognizing that budgeting is a journey rather than a destination. Stay committed to refining your approach and cultivating financial awareness along the way. Every month, take time to analyze your spending habits and make necessary changes. In the end, remember that your budget will evolve as you gain insights and experience, transforming it into a powerful tool for financial well-being. Trust the process and focus on continuous improvement to achieve your financial goals. Bonus tips and benefits. Implementing these strategies can transform your financial habits. Start by identifying common spending categories that tend to exceed your budget and allocate funds accordingly. Next, set up automatic transfers to your savings account each payday. Finally, let technology assist you by using a budgeting app that offers timely reminders. The real benefit? Peace. By taking control of your finances in these ways, you gain not only clarity, but a sense of freedom. Allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life without constantly worrying about your expenses and unexpected financial shocks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to get more beginner-friendly financial content every week. Got a question or struggle with budgeting? Drop it in the comments, I read every one. And remember, you don't need to make more money to feel in control. You need to manage what you already have intentionally.